So students, here comes the next law, and that is Gay-Lussac's law. It is very simple. This law applies only for gas. When gases react, they do so in volume. Generally सारी दुनिया की सभी gases का एक fixed volume होता है, which bears a simple whole number ratio to one another and to the volume of the products formed if gases. Just simply, if it reacts one volume, this is H2Cl2 to form 2H, then it will require one volume and it will yield 2 volume. This was Gibbs. He told that if these are 53 volume, if 53 volume of hydrogen reacts to 53 volume of fluorine, it will for sure gives 53 into 2 volume of HCl. Just as simple as that. Let us assume if these are 50 volume and these are only 25 volume, then this reaction will this question will become in the part will be taught to you in the limiting reagent section. If it is 50 volume and it is 25 volume, then here you can easily see for 1 volume it needs 1 volume, for 50 volume it needs 50 volume to yield 50, but this was limiting, this was less than required. So what will happen, this 25 volume will be fed up and here only 25 will be used. So 25 volume is left, 25 is used. So from 25 volume of S2, 25 volume of Cl2 reacts to yield 25 volume of S. That was the part of limiting reagent. Don't worry, I will teach this part in the later on sections. Just remember, if these are 300 volume, 300 ml and these are also 300 ml, then they will produce 600 ml. Just as simple as that. One more example, 60 ml of S2 will react with 60 ml of chlorine and they will yield 120 ml of this. So just take this as your screenshot and write over it in your notebook. So let us take one more example to make you understand this topic in a good quality. When 300 ml of propane burns, it produces CO2 and H2O. Find the volume of O2 required and CO2 produced. So first of all you have to propane means C3H8. Don't worry, we will learn it in the later section. C3H8O2 will give 3 carbon dioxide. 8 hydrogen will give 4H2O, just half 4H2O, and just collect oxygen from here 4 oxygen, here 6 oxygen, 4 and 6 becomes 10 by 2 becomes 5 O2. So that is not very typical job to balance a reaction. Don't worry, in the later section of mole concept we will learn that thoroughly. So what is the data available for us when 300 ml of propane burns in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen की presence में ये burn हो रहा है, तो वो पूछ रहा है how much volume of oxygen is required and how much volume of carbon dioxide will be produced. So here 1 volume is producing 3 volume of carbon dioxide, then obviously for 300 ml it will produce 3 times of carbon dioxide. 3 into 300 ml of carbon dioxide will be produced. us assume x and y. Y equals to, as one volume produces 3 volume, then 300 ml will produce 300 into 3 ml of CO2. Understood? For x, यानी अब देखो यहाँ पे इसे 5 लिख देते हैं. One volume requires 5 volume, then obviously for 300 ml requirement will be 5 times. 300 into 5 ml of oxygen is what? Just very simple. Propane, carbon dioxide, H2O, O2. Here 300 ml are available. So the production will be 3 times of this volume, and if this require 5 times, then this will be 5 times. So here we have finished very easily Gay-Lussac's law. Let us move to last section, Avogadro hypothesis. This is the most easiest part of our section, Avogadro hypothesis. What does this law states that if temperature, pressure and other physical conditions remains same, then equal volume of all gases contains equal number of molecules or atoms. Actually, ions do not vaporize generally. So what does this law states? This law states that if temperature, pressure and all other physical conditions are same, then let us suppose this is a beaker of 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 ml, and we have filled it. This is stopcock. We have filled it with ammonia. Let us assume we filled this container with ammonia. So this law states that if X molecules of ammonia are present, 1 liter flask, then at similar condition if again the same container is filled with hydrogen or CO2, etc., whatever be the gases, and the volume is again 1 liter, we can say that the flask is same. Don't go with the dimensions, actually this is just rough idea. This is also 1 liter flask, this is also 1 liter flask. मान लेते हैं कंडीशन है P1 T1, here P1 T1. You can easily understand these are the same physical conditions in both the case. For then Avogadro hypothesis tells us that if X molecules of NH3 are present, then for sure X molecules of H2 or CO2 will be there. Understand? If the physical conditions are same, then the amount of molecule present in container A, then whatever be the gas is, the amount of molecule will be the same if physical conditions are same. That was all about Avogadro law, and we can also say that let us take one more example. Let us take one more example. What if this container is half, exactly half, then the number of molecule will be divided by half, the same amount of molecules. What if this container is turned equally to 1/4, then the number of molecules will be same in all parts, x by 4, x by 4. So this was all about Avogadro hypothesis. Here the volume hypothesis says that whatever be the condition, whatever be the container, if physical conditions are same, then the amount of molecule will be same. I hope you are learning from my lectures, and I'm sure that you are maintaining distance, and please respect your elders, respect your teachers, respect your family and your neighbors and so on. And I hope if you find any problem in my lectures, just write it below in the comment section, and that will be very much good for me. Thank you so much. God bless you all, beta.